What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Alice and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to share with you one of my favorite super easy cake recipe, especially because Valentine's Day is gonna be in less than 2 weeks. I wanna give you a couple ideas to make like some delicious dessert that take zero time for your significant others or for your family, or also to treat yourself, because why not? Today we're gonna make lava cake, or in Italian we also call it tortino dal cuore morbido. So it's super easy, super fast. So first things that you gotta do, you gotta preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit, because this is gonna take literally 2 minutes to put together. So what you're gonna need for this recipe is sugar, eggs, butter, flour, and dark chocolate. The cocoa powder, I'm gonna need it for my cake pan, individual cake pan. You can also use the aluminum one, the one that you find in the grocery store. I have those ones, so I'm gonna use those. I'm just gonna like grease it with a little bit of melted butter, and then I'm gonna dust it with a little bit of cocoa so the batter is not gonna stick to my pan. And also I'm using cocoa powder because I don't want to use the flour, because this cake it's super chocolate and dark, and you don't want to have the white cast over the cake. You just want it to look beautiful and delicious. Also here, the butter and the chocolate, I'm gonna go melt it on the stove in a water bath. You already know how I do it. If you saw like my previous recipe, it's super easy. So let's get to the recipe. All right, first things you want to do, for sure, you have to melt your chocolate. I always melt it in a water bath because it's easier to control and you're not going to burn it. So you're going to pour your dark chocolate into your bowl. Then you're going to add your sugar and the melted butter. Again, like all my recipe, all the measurement, I'm gonna be listed in the description box down below, as well as my Instagram page, Facebook page, and TikTok. And you're gonna mix it all together. Then you're gonna add your eggs one at a time. And then you're gonna add your flour as well. Make sure you sift it, because we don't want any flour clumps into our batter. That is it. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder into my little container for the cake, and we're gonna be back before I put my batter into the containers. So here I have my cake stamp. As you can see, I brush it with a little bit of melted butter, and then I put a little bit of cocoa powder, and I make sure that all the surface it was nice and covered. And now with 2 tablespoons, we're gonna fill it up our container with the chocolate batter. What I usually do, I divide it like a couple spoons each, and whatever I have leftovers, then I'll divide it again for all the other stamps. Okay, after you fill it up, this is the result, what they look like. So you're gonna bake it now for 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure it's 12 minutes because you want the inside, the center to stay ooey and gooey. And when you cut into it, just like all the chocolate comes out. So I'm gonna bake mine for 12 minutes, and then we're gonna be back for the best part, the taste test. Cannot wait, cannot wait. Guys, my lava cake is finally ready, and as always I wanted to tell you also how we pronounce it in Italian. This is tortino del cuore morbido. Basically, the translation is cake with a soft heart. And I think this one is perfect for Valentine's Day. Look how beautiful. I decided to put a little bit of icing sugar on top and a couple of raspberry. And now the most important part, the taste test, but also we're gonna check if the inside it's nice and ooey gooey. This is a type of cake that you gotta eat when it's warm because otherwise the center gets hard. So I'm just gonna let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Cannot wait. Oh my God. Look how fantastic it looks. It's perfection. Oh my God, it tastes amazing. And with the raspberry, it gives a little bit of this acidity to the cake, is that it's sweet, and the bitter of the chocolate. So good. One more bite. Because Valentine's Day this year is gonna be sad, so at least we have some chocolate cake. Right? Right. So good. Here I have a nice cappuccino because why not? There's always a reason to have espresso any time of the day. Nice and strong, like I like it. I hope you're enjoying spending time with me. If you're gonna recreate this recipe, please tag me at Alice Contesini. Yeah, my name is Alice in Italian, but I used to get called Alice because it's easy. And I hope you enjoy spending time in I like the chocolate, it just gets me. Like, that's what's happening. I hope you enjoy spending time with me. And until next time, I'll see you soon, my beautiful people. Love you. Heart for everybody. Love you. Kisses. Yum.